Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good to see you. Good morning.
Yes, good to see you again. Okay, so early voting has started already in Georgia. There are 3 questions on the ballot. What are they?
Well, you need to read them before you go in because it's hard to, obviously people are standing in line a long time. So I'm hoping this helps people get through the process quicker and know a little bit about it. There's 3, none of them are that particularly controversial. They're all bipartisan support. They're all supported by both parties. But we're there because they want to make them constitutional changes. One has to do with government spending. This one, the first one, it says if you charge a fee or a tax for a certain activity, it should go to that activity. You would think that would be the way it was, but it's not. It just kind of goes in the big pot. And this would designate those funds for those specific things. So I don't know. There's a time when they don't need all that money for fishing or whatever the thing is, So I have up or down, but it seems like a yes is fine on that one. The second one has to do with suing the state or a city over an ordinance or law that may be unconstitutional and being heard. Because the state has to allow itself to be sued, there's some procedural problems in addressing those laws before they become actively engaged. So people have brought federal actions in the past. Passing the second question would allow that to be a lot more easily achieved. So a yes there is probably the thing to do. It passed in the House and the General Assembly. Kemp vetoed it. I'm not sure why, but it's got bipartisan support, and probably a yes is appropriate there. The third one is allows for 501c3 organizations to avoid some taxes. The best example of it is Habitat. They own this home. They're selling it to someone, all over time, and they're paying taxes on the home. I don't know how you feel about that, but that's what it's for. They want to have a waiver of the tax obligation to the charity while they're financing a home sale. So probably it's probably a yes. It doesn't seem like too controversial there either. So that's kind of where we are. Read, go vote, get out there early. It's looking like there's going to be a lot of activity on it. And anyway, we'll talk about Supreme Court maybe next week.
Yeah, that sounds good. Thank you so very much, Gary. Yes, get out and vote, but read the ballot first. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.